Day 4.
Day 4.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
What are we doing today, Simon?
Off on a train to Ella
From?
from Kandy.
How many hours?
6 hours
6
on
or
the train.
7, yep.
And then...
Are we on first class, second class, third class?
Oh, second class.
Oh, no! Gotta get a photo. Yeah, that's 750.
The double
That's
size.
700. It's a big bottle of Carlsberg. I'm not complaining. Trish, what do you got? Kahlua. Take 2. Go.
This Sri Lankan Queen signature cocktail, Gajamoto. Gajamoto. This arak, mint leaves, and lime wedges. And
Nice.
crust size.
Nice. Thank you. Strucci. Thank you. Cheers. Happy birthday to you. Describe the flavors, Trish.
Very sweet brown sugar, the mint and the lime, and then it's got a wedge of lemon and the arak.
It's 33%. Very sweet.
You need to stir it with
You taste the mint. Very strong mint taste. Very delicious. Hello.
Pasta, have it closer.
spaghetti.
Grilled chicken, crumb fried, the fish, what with lemon butter sauce,
That's what I smell when I walk in. Oh, it smells good.
yeah, mushroom, no spicy,
Oh, that's hot butter mushroom.
yeah, hot butter mushroom,
Not spicy.
no spicy,
Not spicy.
yeah.
That's it.
roasted potato,
Yeah.
little bit chili, and boiled vegetables.
How can I eat all this?
Yeah, actually calm cook. Everyone taste it, and if you like to taste Sri Lankan food corner, small chicken curry, cabbage tempered, brinjal moju. That is very tasty, not spicy. Color is dark but tasty.
Is that what
Capsicum on it. That is
what sort of meat is it?
Uh,
Meat. Yes.
from
meat.
from brinjal. No,
What sort of meat? Any meat?
no meat.
No meat.
No
Just
meat.
vegetable.
Pure veg. Crackers, mango chutney, and pickle. Sharp.
Mango chutney. And
Pickle. That is sharp.
very sharp.
It is sharp and sweet.
And mango chutney.
Yeah. Small sweet touch on it. Two variety of fruits and 3 variety of fruits and small few things, madam. Sago pudding, that is madam.
Sago?
No.
Kia.
Very, yeah.
What's that? Kia.
Yeah, it's a Indian.
Right, what you got there, Simon?
I have no idea, but
Some sort of, this is dessert, some sort of dessert cocktail with bananas and with a caramel sauce or a cream topping and a mint leaf or something.
is.
Cheesecake. Watermelon.
Cheesecake.
What's this?
cream.
Cream. I think it's more of a blancmange. And I've got the same.
But lots of what?
Looks amazing.
Yeah. That is.
It's sweet. Sweet and creamy. Delicious.
No.
Day 4.
Day 4.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
What are we doing today, Simon?
Off on a train to Ella
From
from Kandy.
how many hours?
6 hours
6
on
or
the train.
7. Yep.
And then.
Are we on first class, second class, third class?
Oh, second class.
Oh no!
Oh, man.
What happened to first class?
Oh, we
It's sold out.
we sold out, man.
Yeah, we
Tried to
tried to
change our tickets, but it wouldn't let us.
Right. Yeah, but that's all right. We're leaving early.
But then, yeah, not
Plan is we're
early.
going to stand on the wait for the train to come in and barge our way in and grab a seat.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then we're going to get the truck.
Oh,
Later on
Tuk-Tuk's
today.
getting dropped off actually at
Yeah,
the hotel.
the hotel.
Driver's
Yep.
licenses are all ready to go.
Yep.
We
Or
don't have a
fitting like a jigsaw puzzle.
1 hour lesson and then we're on the road.
That's early.
Independence.
Ready first?
Hey,
What do you reckon?
it'll be.
She's a bit nervous.
What's that?
Driving the tuk-tuk. Where's Ella? Ella's not up there. Oh, this is Badula. It's this one. Is it 2 for Ella? Yeah. Yeah, we met a junkie over there.
Right.
It's a cool railway station, nice.
It is, man. Fuck yeah.
Like a step back in time.
Much. Pretty much.
Like in the 50s or
It's
60s.
not brand new or anything.
No, no
Probably
digital
brand new.
stuff. No gates with cars.
Back to civilization. Back
And
in
they do a lot of
the
paperwork to get through. I see them in the office doing all the paperwork. You know, pen and paper.
Yeah.
Love that stuff. The noises of Kandy railway station. The noises of Kandy railway station. Crows and dogs.
Yeah.
And Simon. You're a madman. You're a madman.
You're a mad lady.
I'm not a man.
You're a mad lady.
We're all mad. But it's my birthday. It's my
Happy
birthday.
birthday to you.
We're off to Ella. Hey boys,
Ibon.
I'm born. I'm born.
Ibon.
I'm born.
Ibon.
You born?
Ibon. Yes. Oh, they were doing
Made a teller. Got to get a photo.
We stopped a little bit. 1,041 meters.